Good morning, ladies and gents. Let's do this forecast. Yesterday, levels worked out pretty good. We had the yesterday low, um, came up, tagged that. Um, that was pretty good. Came up right above the fib target. Nice push on the start of the day. Didn't exactly expect that, but then we got it. Let's see. Then after tagging this low down here with a little bit of support here, right? I mean, tiny bit. After come down tagging that low, we went back up to the top, and then this one, right? This would have been a valid anchor. This one got pushed down, but then it formed a hammer. Tapped this level, formed a hammer, pushed back, and it actually went through. This would have also been a valid tag. It went through that. It went up to the top. Um, and dwindled back down. So pretty decent calls on yesterday. Um, not being too bullish, but keeping. I mean, yeah, it was. It did have some bullishness, but staying cautious with it. Um, and now today, let's take a look. We are at this 423 on the daily. I mean, we've gotten normally this would be like two dojis. Um, here. I mean, I say normally the few circumstance like this, hesitation, at least a few dojis here. This is like one doji, but when it's on a tear, it's only like really one doji. That's the difference. And I think we're getting to that point, yeah, where we could see. I mean, a day like this, where we finally where we get into the 423, have our doji, and then finally actually have a pull day. It doesn't even go below the lows of that other day, um, but it has a pull day. So that might be something like what we're looking for. Something to actually come up here, maybe test those highs, and then actually finally come back down and get a little bit of a pull. Maybe. We got the 4 hour down, daily up, weekly down. The daily is looking to curl, showed by this. I mean, the weekly is looking to curl, showed by this daily curl here. But now the 4 hours curling back down. So there's that. If we look on the one for the QQQ, he's at 423. I think we could easily pop up here, but then I do kind of short on the day. I don't know. Because we are on the tear, just ripping up the shorts, so that can easily continue using the shorts as the gas to keep getting more gas. So then we've got the 30 turning a bit here. We've got the 1 hour perhaps putting in a turn, supported by the 30 actually turning. Um, so perhaps that. I mean, we've got the 10 back under the 50. Not too big of a deal on the Qs, but there's that. We've now got the 5 over the 50. The 5 over the 20 is what I like to see for a sustained move, and it's been sustaining. Now we got the 5 over the 50 on the daily SMAs. We're probably going to need this. Is why I think we're going to come back. I think we're going to come back down for test the 5 SMA. We're going to pop some people out in the morning. Come back down to test the 5 SMA. Going to maybe top out near these. No, no, we'll go higher than the +1 probably. Maybe top out near the +1. I mean, probably definitely hit this today. Maybe come all the way back down for like definitely some potential buying in like this zone, and then maybe we'll come back down all the way for these anchors and the 5 SMA backtest. That's sort of what I'm looking for here. I think we can pop up all the way towards here. Looking for a short in this zone. Maybe I am pigeonholing on the short a little too much. That's definitely possible. I just think we're at this fib here. I think it just makes sense to at least get down to like this day, at least back test here a bit. But it's possible we just don't. Let's go over the max one more time, and then we'll do SPY. Week down, looking to curl. Day up, kind of looking to maybe curl. 4 hour curling down. 1 hour curling up. 30-minute curling up. You know, maybe this is bullish. Let's wait to see which level gets tagged first and then move towards the other one. 15 up, perhaps at a high. 5-minute up, perhaps curling. 2-minute curling down. So let's look at this, the SPY 30. I mean, I had these set out with purple was all-time high volume. This red sell signal volume. This orange is most recent sell signal volume. And then we've got buy signal volume from here, buy signal volume from here. Right? So purple, red, orange, we're trying to hold the market down. And alright, back test, pull to these anchors, popped it, pull, grind up, tag the red, gap over the red, grind up, and then we've gotten like no pullback. So I think we could still see at least pullbacks down to these volume levels. They've been in a pretty strong buy signal, obviously. And let's go all the way back to a time. I like the reference of October right here. Nobody expected it. Nobody expected it, and we grinded up. We almost hit all-time high here, and then honestly, yeah, we just kept grinding. So maybe we just do that. Maybe we don't even see much of a pullback, but I really think we should see at least one more like doji day of indecision. But I'm going to be playing pretty safely here. Yeah, I think this is then, and what I'm looking for, either we get down here for a scalp up, or we get up here and I gotta try to scalp down. I mean, I don't have to, but I think it's right to. So we'll do that. We'll roll with that. Definitely not looking to get below this day here. And see what happens. Definitely at least like a half candle retrace, something like that. So that would be $3 down. That'd be 100 points downside. And I think we could see at least that today. Maybe you could. I mean, I'm not even. If we're really looking at it in the grand scheme, I'm looking for like this. It's like on the NQ hourly, that'd be nothing. I'm looking for like this. Like just this. But we'll see. I think we've got, if I look at this fib, off this recovery or this fib, so this one, when we hit the 2618, we have room to this 2618, which is like the perfect top here, right? It's like perfect. So if we pop over that, if we pop over this, we're probably going up to here, and if we pop over this, I mean, Lord knows. So that's what I'm looking for today. I think I mean, it's clearly a bullish pre-market though. I have to respect that. So maybe there are probably some bullish scalps to be taken off of these. But overall, I'll be looking for some downside, see if we've got, yeah, we're right on that. And we're going to see, I think today is going to end up coming to backtest here. I think we're going to get, I think we got 100 points of downside, but we're going to see. So, all right, that does it for that. Here's a plan. I think we come down to this area, but we'll see. If we start getting over here, I'm done. I'm cooked.